stands by the falls, mist on his face. Raghu brings the ember from the stone and the rain. Kiran walks the edge where the green roots hold. Vinay hears the old drum under moss and gold.
Srikant lifts his hand to the broken sky. Shashi keeps the fire in a steady eye. Keshav names the shadow when it starts to fall. Shyam finds the path through the curtain wall.
Madhu by the water with a calm like steel. Ravavendra in the silence makes the whole world kneel.
Hear that thunder roll through the valley bones. One breath, one march to the river stone. Faces to the spray, hearts await aligned. This is not the end, this is where we rise.
DKSSB, call it out, call it out.
DKSSB,
Till the mountains show.
DKSSB,
We are breaking through.
DKSSB,
The water carries you.
DKSSB, DKSSB.
Boots in the wet mud, marks across the grave. Jenu keeps on moving, he will not sway.
Raghu on the ridge line sees the widened road. Kiran in the white mist lifts the heavy load.
Vinay on the echo throws his voice ahead. Srikant guards the passage where the ravens fed.
Shashi with the lantern burning through the blue. Keshav at the ledge says the storm is due.
Shyam in the deep green finds the hidden gate.